Today, we'll do an introduction and a demo of a new inference engine for large language model, which is called ds4. So ds4 is very interesting. It is focusing on the DeepSeek-V4-Flash engine. The context length is astonishingly 1 million. How awesome is that? It focuses on the model, which currently only supports the Apple Silicon. It uses the disk-backed KV cache and has both OpenAI and the cloud-compatible API. In other words, it is designed not to be just a model file inference engine, but a local agent backend. So if you are running agent workflow, this model will be very interesting. It can run entirely locally on your Mac with 128 gigabytes for the quantized Q2 version model. Let's dive in a little bit, and then I will do a demo on it. Looking at the setup, you will need to download the supported GGUF using the script. There are multiple quantized versions. The Q2 works for the 128 gigabytes. Then run the CLI command. It handles one-shot prompts and interactive chat. The server exposes OpenAI or cloud-compatible message endpoints, including streaming and tooling. The standout feature is the long context reuse. The server compares exact token prefix, keeps one live KV checkpoint, and can persist the KV snapshot to disk, so it can save lots of RAM. Overall, the project is a focused experiment in making a local model feel complete end-to-end. Here it shows the performance comparison at each different context length. As we increase the context to 128K, we see that we can still get some nice performance, around 20 at generating throughput and about 200 at the prefill throughput. Now let's do a live demo on it. This is running on a M3 Max with 128 gigabytes RAM. So we can see exactly what's going on and the live generating speed of it. We can see the speed is at 25 tokens per second for the short context, so that's pretty good. GPU uses about 103 gigabytes out of the 128 gigabytes, so still lots of room. I also want to mention that in addition to this engine, the popular llama.cpp is also able to run the DeepSeek-V4-Flash. I uploaded a previous video on it, so here is a screenshot of the benchmarking. Please take a look if you are interested. Thank you for watching. Please give it a thumb up and share it. Please subscribe to the channel for future content. Thank you for your support. Goodbye.